Welcome to Stack Gain, your source for the biggest AI shifts, powerful tools, and hidden trends shaping the future. Google quietly dropped a powerful AI update. Google has quietly rolled out a powerful AI update, but why no? Announcement? This hidden change can make AI understand complex questions better, give smarter, more accurate answers, and even improve recommendations for things like travel or daily tasks. But it's not perfect. There are still surprising limitations. So what exactly changed? How does it affect you? And what does it mean for the future of AI? Let's find out. Before we start, follow my Instagram at stackgainpro.ai and join my Telegram, official StackGainPro. Let's dive in. If you want more exclusive content and updates, scan the QR codes on screen and follow my Instagram and join my Telegram channel now. 1. The quiet update. First, let's talk about what actually happened. Google recently rolled out an AI update that doesn't make headlines like a flashy new phone or app. This update improves the way Google's AI can understand and respond to questions. It's a behind-the-scenes upgrade, mostly affecting how the AI interprets information and how it communicates with users. Think of it like improving the engine of a car. You might not see it from the outside, but the ride suddenly feels smoother. This update doesn't change Google's apps overnight, but it can sometimes make answers more accurate or make the AI better at understanding complex questions. Example: imagine you ask an AI assistant a tricky question, like, "Can you summarize my work emails for today?" Before, it might give a general or slightly off answer. With this update, the AI can sometimes catch more context, giving you a response that feels more precise and useful. 2. Why Google might have done this quietly. Now, you might wonder why Google didn't make a big announcement. One reason is that small, incremental updates can sometimes be tested quietly before a wider rollout. Another reason is that AI updates can be unpredictable. Even a powerful AI system can sometimes give strange or unexpected answers, so companies like Google often prefer to refine things in the background first. Picture a large company testing a new recipe in a small cafe before adding it to all its restaurants. They want to make sure people like it, and that nothing breaks in the kitchen. This is similar to how Google is quietly testing AI improvements before everyone sees them. 3. What this update can mean for you. So, what does this mean for everyday users? The changes are subtle, but they can show up in ways you interact with AI. For instance, better comprehension. The AI may understand your questions more fully. Asking complex questions or giving partial information might now work better. More nuanced answers. Sometimes, the AI can give more thoughtful responses instead of simple generic ones. Improved recommendations. If you use Google for research or planning, the AI might sometimes suggest more relevant results or resources. Example: let's say you ask Google AI, "I need a weekend getaway near my city that's kid-friendly and under $200. Before, it might give a broad list. After the update, it can sometimes narrow it down more efficiently and include options that match your preferences more closely. 4. How AI updates usually work. Google AI updates are usually a mix of several things: better language understanding, improved data processing, and sometimes new features that aren't obvious right away. Think about language. AI learns patterns from billions of sentences. Each update can help it understand context better. For instance, the difference between "I want to bank on my savings" and "I want to bank at the river" might have been tricky for AI before, but now it can usually understand both correctly. Have you ever asked an AI a question and felt it just didn't get what you meant? If so, this update may slowly help fix that. 5. Potential limitations. Of course, no AI is perfect. Even with this update, the AI can sometimes misunderstand vague questions, give answers that seem confident but aren't fully accurate, struggle with very new or uncommon information. This is why updates are tested quietly. They need real-world use to see how people actually interact with the system. Google can't predict every scenario, so gradual updates help improve reliability over time. Example: you might ask, which small country has the best AI research programs? The AI could sometimes highlight larger countries first, but over time, as it sees more queries and feedback, it can adjust its responses. 6. Why this matters. Now, you might ask, why should I care about a quiet AI update? Well, even small improvements in AI can ripple out in unexpected ways. Productivity, tools like Google Docs or AI assistants may give slightly smarter suggestions. Learning and research, answers may become more accurate or nuanced, saving you time. Everyday convenience, whether you're planning a trip, organizing tasks, or searching for information, AI might understand you a bit better. Imagine you're planning a surprise birthday party. Previously, you'd spend hours searching for ideas. With a slightly smarter AI, it might suggest themes, locations, or games that you hadn't thought of, making your planning faster and easier. 7. How to spot changes yourself. You may be wondering, how can you tell if the AI is actually improving? Look for subtle signs. Does it understand multi-part questions better? Are its suggestions or answers more relevant? Does it sometimes surprise you with a new insight or connection you didn't expect? Try asking it something tricky today and see how the response feels. Then ask the same thing next week. You might notice small but useful improvements. 8. The future of AI updates. Updates like this hint at the future direction of AI, more natural conversations, smarter assistants, and systems that sometimes feel almost like a helpful colleague. Google isn't stopping here. These quiet updates often lead to bigger changes down the line. Example: think about it like software on your phone. Small updates gradually improve performance or add features, but you usually don't notice until one day it just feels smoother or smarter. AI works similarly. 9. Key takeaways. Let's recap the main points. Google rolled out a quiet AI update to improve understanding and response quality. These updates are subtle, sometimes tested quietly before wider release. Users may notice better comprehension, more relevant suggestions, and improved answers over time. AI isn't perfect, but small changes can make a real difference in everyday use. The update is part of a broader trend of improving AI gradually, behind the scenes. If you found this explanation useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you want to stay updated on AI changes that might affect your daily life, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Also, try interacting with Google AI today and see if you notice any of these subtle changes. It's kind of fun to spot them. Thanks for watching. AI updates like this may not make big headlines, but they quietly shape the tools we use every day. Stick around for our next video, where we'll explore another hidden tech update that could impact how you work, play, and live online. See you next time.